Seekers! Today we're hunting for bottles. It's really muddy, but we're finding some great stuff. We've got our first find of the day. Just pulled out this bottle. It's intact. We are going to clean it up a little bit, see if it's worth anything. And then something very strange, a big metal contraption here. Not quite sure what it is. Oh, it's a paint roller.
Oh! Wow! Paint roller?
Whew, it's heavy.
Hello there. I found a couple things I'd like to show you. This bottle cap that has some letters on it, and we'll clean that up so we can see what it says. And then a nozzle for a hose. Not sure how old it is, but it's pretty cool.
Just found a piece of a vase. Looks like it might be kind of old. I'm gonna search and see if we can find the other half of it.
We just found another part of it. We're gonna keep looking in this hole. There's probably the other bits of it.
This is good.
We have a bottle here. We're gonna see if we can get it out.
Looks like a turtle.
Hey, it's the same design as one I found a couple days ago. Oh, it is the same design. With a loose tooth. It's intact. Woo! That's a good one.
Nice.
Got some glass here. I can hear it with my shovel. We're gonna dig it out. Well, it was half a bottle. Hey Seekers, we're looking for antiques again today. And we just uncovered this easy washing machine made in Toronto, Ontario. The model is M. My dad helped me get this washing machine out. We're not sure how old it is yet, and we're gonna look it up later. Hey, maybe we should give this to Mom for her birthday. I found this bottle in the muck. Has a cork top. There's no writing on it. I think it's pretty old. Is that what I think it is? A marble!
Dinner time! We're gonna head up to the house and clean up our treasures. We can't wait to show you what we found on this hunt.
We had fun in the mud and found some great things. We found this bottle. It says Perfect, and it was used to hold bleach. It is from 1910 to 1920.
I found this mouth-blown or hand-blown bottle, which means it wasn't made in a mold. We're not sure of this bottle's exact date, somewhere in between 1860 and 1910. Since it was handmade, it makes it a lot more rare and valuable. This bottle is worth a lot.
We found this little blue marble, the hose nozzle, and an antique ketchup bottle.
Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
Later, Seekers!